Opinions and thoughts.
Pendapat dan pemikiran.
Learning concept. Learning media. Concepts in module. Introduction. Sentence structure expressing opinions. Agreeing with an opinion. Disagreeing with an opinion. Examples of opinions. Examples showing agreement and disagreement with an opinion.
Konsep dalam modul ini, yang pertama, introduction, pengenalan. Sentence structure to express opinions, struktur kalimat untuk mengekspresikan pendapat. Agreeing with an opinion, setuju dengan pendapat. Disagreeing with an opinion, tidak setuju dengan pendapat. Examples of opinion, contoh pendapat. Examples of how to agree and disagree with an opinion. Contoh bagaimana bersetuju atau tidak bersetuju dengan sebuah pendapat.
Read the dialogues given below. I like Harry Potter movies because the magic seems so real. I don't agree with you. Harry Potter movies are just overrated. I like playing tag because it is much fun. I don't like playing tag because people end up fighting. In my opinion, the government should provide means of sustenance for underprivileged people instead of building towers. I agree with what you are saying, but have you ever thought that building tall towers provides work for unemployed people?
Berikut adalah contoh dialog mengekspresikan pendapat dan respon terhadap pendapat tersebut. Contohnya, I like Harry Potter movies because the magic seems so real. Ya, dia mengatakan bahwa dia sangat suka sekali film Harry Potter karena magic yang ada dalam film itu seperti nyata begitu. Kemudian direspon dengan I don't agree with you. Ya, saya tidak setuju dengan kamu. Dan alasan tidak setuju disebutkan Harry Potter movies are just overrated. Dia mengatakan film Harry Potter itu hanya karena terlalu berlebihan dipuji begitu atau diberikan penilaian berlebih. Kemudian contoh berikutnya, I like playing tag because it is so much fun. Kemudian direspon dengan I don't like playing tag because people end up fighting. Ya, di sini dia katakan suka, di sini dia katakan tidak suka, berarti tidak setuju. Kemudian di sini I agree with what you are saying, but have you ever thought that building tall towers provides work for unemployed people? Kemudian direspon di sini, in my opinion, the government should provide means of sustenance for underprivileged people instead of building towers. Ya, di sini dia mengatakan pendapatnya karena di sini ditanya tentang pendapatnya, ya. Oke, next.
What is your opinion regarding the issues discussed in the dialogues you have gone through?
Kira-kira apa pendapat kamu terhadap ya isu yang disampaikan tadi, ya yang sudah kita lampaui?
A view or judgment formed about something, not necessarily based on fact or knowledge. Opinion, in other words, can be called as a personal point of view. An opinion is a point of view that comes directly from a person's mind. However, it can be the general point of view as well.
Opinion and thoughts, kita mulai dari opinion. Apa itu opini? Opini itu adalah sudut pandang kita ya terhadap sesuatu. Di sini katakan not necessarily based on fact or knowledge. Tidak harus berdasarkan fakta ataupun ilmu pengetahuan, tetapi hanya sebagai sudut pandang kita, itulah opini.
You know that we can use collocations to express our opinions?
Apakah kamu tahu bahwasanya kita dapat menggunakan kolokasi untuk mengekspresikan pendapat?
Look at the following examples. Strong argument, strong criticism, strong denial, strong opinion, strong resistance, quite strong support.
Ya, Berikut ini adalah beberapa kolokasi ataupun istilahnya adalah sanding kata ketika kita mengungkapkan pendapat. Misalnya strong argument berarti argumen yang kuat, strong criticism artinya adalah kritikan yang kuat, strong denial penolakan yang kuat, strong opinion pendapat yang kuat, strong resistance artinya kita mempertahankan dengan kuat, quite strongly cukup kuat begitu ya.
Sentence structure expressing opinions. The following sentence structure is used for expressing opinions. There should be a subject and a verb that is followed by an object. Let's take a look at the examples given below.
Struktur kalimat mengekspresikan opini ataupun pendapat yaitu subjek, kata kerja, dan objek.
See how opinions are expressed in the following examples. I consider this to be right considering the reasons you have provided. We agree with what they are saying. They doubt whether your decision is the right one. I believe that you have made a responsible decision. I think you have a misconception on the issue. I don't agree with you. We assume that you are biased on this issue.
Perhatikan struktur kalimat dalam mengekspresikan opini sesuai dengan strukturnya yaitu subjek, verb, kemudian objek. Yang pertama tadi, I consider this could be right considering the reasons you have provided. Ya, saya menganggap bahwasanya ini bisa benar, mempertimbangkan alasan yang setelah kamu buktikan. We agree with what they are saying. Kami setuju dengan apa yang mereka katakan. They doubt whether your decision is the right one. Kami masih ragu apakah keputusan kamu itu merupakan keputusan yang benar. I believe that you have made a responsible decisions. Saya yakin bahwa kamu telah membuat sebuah keputusan yang bertanggung jawab. I think you have a misconception on this issue. Sepertinya kamu telah membuat konsepsi yang salah terhadap isu ini. I don't agree with you. Ini total langsung mengekspresikan saya tidak setuju dengan kamu. We assume that you are biased on this issue. Kami mengasumsikan bahwa Anda itu sedikit melenceng dari isu ini, artinya bias.
Two kinds of points of view. The first one is personal point of view, and the second one is general point of view. Our opinions will be based on either the personal or the general point of view. See the examples given below.
Ya, ada dua jenis ekspresi yang digunakan dalam mengungkapkan pendapat. Satu, personal point of view. Yang kedua, general point of view. Personal point of view adalah sudut pandang pribadi. Yang general point of view, sudut pandang umum.
Try to understand the meaning of the expressions given below. What I mean is, in my opinion, I think, personally I think, in my humble opinion, I would like to point out that, to my mind, by this I mean, in my experience, I strongly believe that, as far as I am concerned, in my point of view, as I understand, as I see it, I reckon, I am compelled to say, do all these examples include personal or general points of view? All these expressions show personal points of view.
Ya, berikut ini adalah ekspresi menyatakan pendapat berdasarkan sudut pandang pribadi atau personal. Boleh kita buktikan dari ekspresi yang pertama. What I mean is, I mean. I, subjeknya si I, berarti pribadi ya. Kemudian in my opinion, berarti pendapat saya pribadi. I think, menurut saya. Personally, I think. Sama, in my humble opinion. Sama, I'd like to point out that, yes, menggunakan I. Jadi secara keseluruhan, ini adalah contoh-contoh bagaimana memulai mengekspresikan sebuah opini ataupun pendapat berdasarkan sudut pandang pribadi ataupun personal.
Now we move to the other type of expressions, which are used to express general points of view. Try to understand the meaning of the expressions given below. Most people do not agree. Almost everyone. Some people say that. Some people believe. Of course, many argue. While some people believe, generally it is accepted. The majority disagreed with. The majority agree with. It is sometimes argued. It is considered.
Yang berikut ini adalah sudut pandang umum. Boleh dilihat dari most people, berarti most people, kebanyakan orang. Almost everyone, hampir setiap orang. Some people say, beberapa orang. Some people believe, beberapa orang yakin. Of course, many, banyak orang. Some people, dan seterusnya. Dari sini dapat disimpulkan bahwa ini adalah cara mengekspresikan pendapat berdasarkan sudut pandang kebanyakan orang ataupun secara umum.
Response to an opinion. You can agree or disagree with an opinion as long as you have a reason to do so.
Respon terhadap suatu pendapat boleh dengan setuju atau tidak setuju. Yang paling penting adalah ketika Anda bersetuju punya alasan juga. Demikian juga dengan disagree, tidak setuju, punya alasan kenapa tidak setuju.
The following are some expressions used to express agreement with an opinion. This is absolutely right. Of course. I agree with this opinion. I couldn't agree more. I agree with what you are saying. I agree. I never thought of it. Neither do I. That's a good point. I think so.
Berikut adalah respon kalau setuju. Misalnya, this is absolutely right. Ya, ini benar-benar benar. Boleh dengan of course saja atau I agree with this opinion dan seterusnya. Jadi ini adalah contoh ekspresi yang menyatakan setuju dengan sebuah opini ataupun pendapat.
The following are some expressions used to express disagreement with an opinion. Not sure if I can agree with you. I'm afraid I have to disagree with you. By this I mean, I do not believe that. I think you are wrong. It is not justified to say so. I'm not convinced. That's not the right thing at all.
Berikut adalah ekspresi yang digunakan kalau kita tidak setuju dengan sebuah pendapat. Misalnya, I'm not sure I agree with you. Saya tidak yakin bersetuju dengan kamu. I'm afraid I have to disagree with you. Ya, semuanya ini adalah mengekspresikan tidak setuju dengan pendapat seseorang.
Examples showing agreement and disagreement with an opinion. If someone states his or her opinion saying, women can't be good leaders, you may express your opinion saying, I too think so, and give your reasons to prove your opinion. If you disagree with his or her opinion, you can say, I think that's wrong, and you can give your reason as well.
Ini adalah contoh sebuah statement yang direspon dengan setuju dan tidak setuju. Mari kita lihat. Women can be a good leaders. Wanita tidak bisa menjadi pemimpin yang baik. Satu sisi ada yang setuju. I think so too. Due to the woman can think rationally. Ya, dia setuju dengan statement ini. Ya, saya juga berpikiran demikian. Berhubung wanita itu tidak bisa berpikir secara rasional. Kemudian disagree, tidak setuju dengan statement ini. I think it would be wrong if you are generalize. Ya, menurut saya hal itu akan salah jika kamu mengambilnya secara generalisasi. Ya, dan boleh selanjutnya, smoking should be banned in public places. Merokok sebaiknya dilarang di tempat umum. Kemudian ada yang setuju. I do agree with your opinion because it really harm others. Iya, dia setuju dengan statement ini dan ini tidak setuju. I'm sorry but I tend to disagree with you on this. Ya, maaf, saya cenderung tidak setuju dengan kamu pada hal ini. Ya, demikian.
Size.
Mari kita lihat exercise ya.
Reading section.
membaca.
Why are you looking so sad? I was reading an opinion article on bullying. It made me extremely sad. People like to exaggerate things. Bullying as such is no big deal. No, I don't think so. Bullying is prevalent in our society. It is important that everyone should be made aware of this social evil. I don't agree with you. A little bit teasing here and there is acceptable. I am of the opinion that no one has any right to harass or make people feel inferior. No one should have that kind of power. Hey, stop! You are getting too serious. Yes, you should be serious about it as well. I would like to point out that bullying is everyone's problem and responsibility. If you condone bullying in any way, shape or form, it means you are taking part in it, directly or indirectly.
Ini adalah contoh ya, berdialog, mengungkapkan pendapat dan apakah lawan bicara setuju atau tidak setuju, dan sebaliknya ini boleh dibaca di rumah ya, atau boleh dilihat di dalam buku latihan atau buku teks ada di sana tertulis.
These questions with your partner. What is happening between Siti and Jane? What kind of conversation are they having? Whom do you agree with, Jane or Siti? Why? Have you witnessed bullying? Describe how you felt.
Ya, silakan dijawab sesuai dengan konteks dialog yang sebelumnya.
Listening section.
Untuk mendengar, kita akan lihat berikut ini.
To the dialogue and answer the question.
Hello, Jack. I'm thinking of buying my own house, but I can't decide where. Should I live in the country or in the city?
Hello, Rose. In my opinion, you should buy an apartment in the city. Life in the city is more fun and more convenient.
Yeah, I know. But I think life in the country is healthier and more peaceful.
Mari kita cek jawabannya. Tidak
Disagree.
setuju.
Writing section. A conversation between two or more people, which consists of some of the expressions listed below. Most people do not agree. While some people believe, I couldn't agree more. I agree with what you are saying. I agree, I never thought of it.
Silakan berlatih membuat tulisan yang mengekspresikan setuju dan tidak setuju, boleh dalam bentuk dialog.
Please write a conversation between two or more people which... Reading section.
Latihan membaca.
Read the conversation with your classmates in front of the class. Discuss the topic of the conversation with them.
Ya, silakan dilatih ya.
Opinion depends on what you feel or think about something or someone. It is based on your perspective. Whenever we give or express our opinion, it is important to give reasons and examples to support our opinion.
Ringkasannya ya, opinion is the way you feel or think about something. Opini itu adalah cara kamu merasakan atau memikirkan tentang sesuatu.
The general point of view is not only own opinion but also the opinion prevalent in the society. Basically, you can refer to others' opinion to support your arguments.
Ya, general points of view itu bukan berarti berasal dari opini kita sendiri, tapi dari lebih dari satu orang ataupun orang lain.
Personal point of view does not depend on others' opinion. It truly comes from a person's mind when he or she is confronted with an issue.
Selanjutnya, personal points of view, pendapat pribadi itu tidak ada kaitannya dengan orang lain, artinya itu pendapat kita sendiri.
Sentence structure for expressing opinions is simple. You must put the subject first, followed by the verb and the object.
Inilah struktur kalimat mengekspresikan pendapat, subjek, verb plus objek. Baik, demikian pembelajaran kita. Silahkan direview kembali supaya lebih memiliki pemahaman tentang opinions and thought. Thank you.